everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Having this headband for washing my face and this wristband has been a game changer. I would usually make a mess, but not anymore. This headband, it's not only good whenever you're washing your face, but it's also great whenever you're showering or putting your makeup on. You're going to see how beautifully it takes away the hair from your face, allowing you to wash your face or do anything you need. I also love the fact that the material is super gentle. So as you can see, I can clean my face and not have my sweater completely soaked. This headband has elastic support. It's soft padded. And I love how the wristbands are very absorbent and the quality is great. They're super soft and gentle. This set has made me so happy and I know it will make you happy too. So if you're like me and you normally make a mess when washing your face, you definitely need to check these out. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.